Well, this is Domino, the white one. She is our latest rescue dog. One of our neighbors alerted us to a dog running around out in the desert. He wanted to keep her. However, his dog didn't want to have anything to do with her and was beating up on her pretty roughly. So we took her in. So far, Bailey, our other rescue dog, and her doing pretty well together. They get, they get into a little bit of a scrap, but nothing horrible. And Domino got her first bath this morning, but she was a very stinky puppy. Stinky puppy. What are you doing? All right. So here is some of what I've been working on. And this is another 5-framer here. I bought some of these fancy stainless stamped out entrances to try out, and this was huge, admittedly huge, but we're going to try it. I think I'm going to primarily try and use this one as a storm trap. These are some 2-framers, and of course I got a smaller entrance for it since, yeah, you know, something like that wasn't going to work out. Nope. And I got my first catalog in the mail. That was after a purchase of a box of 10 deep frames that I purchased from that company. This isn't an endorsement, and I am not being sponsored by them. However, if you want to check them out, look up Cutler Supply. They do sell through Amazon. And then this one right here is going to be another brood box. Made it just for the other 4-frame or 5-frame, I mean, that I built to reduce the size of my little colony. And hopefully if they get through this winter and we do have some more colder weather coming and some rain, and it sounds like the weather isn't going to be too atrocious. I don't think we've barely dipped below the 30s around here this winter. I don't think it's going to get anywhere near 40 this time again. Maybe a little bit wet, and that's about it. But yeah, this is kind of what I've been doing. The migratory lids, and you can see I had to adjust this to get these to fit in there a little bit better. But the frame, deep brood frames for queen rearing, splits, whatever I want to try and do. That's about it. The other one basically looks the same inside. Nothing really different there. And the only thing that, with that big old friggin' hole in the front of this, which I don't know if I could do something different, is if I put see, I got some medium frames in here, and I could play with that. I did get some swarm attractant. They said it works great, so if there's any swarms buzzing around in here. The one thing I noticed, especially with the 5-frame and the frame, you're going to have a frame right there in the middle, is as you can see in the hole, there's the bottom of the frame. It's kind of exposed there. Now if I had just built this like it was supposed to and cut a slot on it right here, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I do have some more material here to make some more 5-frame, and I may go ahead and take a couple of these and just go ahead and slot them for an entrance. And I've got a whole bunch of sides and end pieces for more 2-frames. And you know, then I came to the grand realization. Hi, Bob. Hi, my Domino. How are you? How are you? You're no longer a stinky dog, are you? You're no longer a stinky dog. Bailey is I need more frames. So yeah, if I'm going to utilize these things, I'm going to need frames and foundation, and you know, yeah, you see how this escalates. Anyway, that's what I was going through, doing little projects to keep me busy during the winter time. All right, Crow, did you get that? It's really a raven, but I call them crows. But honey, all right.